wait for still some more time. You start, guys.
Okay, sir.
क्या यार कितना ब्रेक चाहिए यार तुम लोगों को? ओके
Okay, sir.
okay, right now whatever we have done so far, the AND gate, the NOR gate, NOT gate, NAND and NOR, okay, I just told you in brief, okay, but still there's a lot of theory into it. It's easy, but before this, before the gates come, there's something known as operators that come. Operators are basically your addition, subtraction, I mean your addition, your multiplication, those operators. Okay, so that will go in detail in the theory class. But as of now, the basic of NAND, NOR, OR, and NOT, you all have understood.
Yes, sir.
Now there is something known as XOR. Any one of you have heard about it? EXOR. Anyone heard about it? Okay. Okay, so there's basically known as something known as the XOR gate. Now, in an OR gate, what happens? 0 and 0 gives us what? 0. 0 and 1 gives us what? 1. 1 and 0 gives us what? 1. And 1 and 1 gives us what? 1. Correct? Now, for an XOR gate, okay, your 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, but 1 plus 1 in an XOR, okay, if it's an OR gate, it would give us 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. But in an XOR, it will give us 0. So that is the only exceptional gate, okay, of OR that will give us 0. That's why it's known as exclusive OR gate. Okay, so whenever there is a 1 and a 1 as an input, that means 1 plus 1, it will give us 0 and not 1. So this is the only exception that comes in the XOR gate. So your value will be, for an OR gate, your outputs will be 0, 1, 1, 1. For an XOR gate, your values would be 0, 1, 1, 0. So that would be your output. Okay. So I'll repeat again for an OR gate. If A and B are your inputs and Y is your output, so if A and B is, if A is 0 and B is 0, it will give us 0. Then if you have 0 and 1, it will give us 1. If you have 1 and 0, it will give us 1. And if you have 1 and 1, instead of a 1, it will give you 0. So this is your XOR gate. Till here everyone is clear? Hello? Everyone remove their microphones. Come on. Everyone remove their microphones. Best way of coming to know whether the person is there or not there. Mayur is there, Saloni is there. Okay. Oh, okay. Tanay, Are, Krishna, Krishna, Prabhu. So now we know who's sleeping here. Krishna Prabhu is not there only. It's online, but he's not there. Huh? Okay, okay. Close your mic. All right. So everyone understood about the XOR gate as of now. Okay. So we have even known as the XOR gate, which gives us for two inputs of 1 and 1, it gives you a 0. Now there's something known as flip-flops also. This we will go basically in the next class. Okay. As of now, you all have opened a virtual lab. Any other virtual lab emulator on Google search? Anyone has checked?
So I got few experiment list or something
Okay.
for computer science and engineering.
Okay. That is from the IIT Mumbai only, no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. So you will get a list of experiments also. But the problem is if you start off your list of experiments, okay, and when you go to perform it, there is one tab where you click to perform the experiment. It doesn't tend to pop up. It remains blank. Just see if you are getting it to perform the experiment. Everyone do this, huh? As of now, that server of theirs is down, but I wanted to at least go to that virtual labs and check out how it is. I'll just see if I can share the screen with you all. You can see my screen, guys.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, if you go in virtual labs, okay, this is the virtual lab website. You can see it, right? You can see it, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here on labs, you have to click. Okay. When you click on labs, select electronics and communications. But here it is forbidden. I don't know why they have blocked the access. Even I don't know. Okay. Type with HTTPS. It's coming forbidden only. By the way, when you are clicking here on the electronics tab, is it working on your side? When you're clicking on this tab,
Yes, sir.
okay, here I don't know why, but it's not. But I'll just try putting HTTPS. Control E. People are having a problem. Just put an S here and just try. I don't even have a proxy here. Surfshark or Ultrasurf. Not allowing access. Okay, so basically when you click on that, you will get a list of experiments. Okay, whichever you want. Say logic gates. Then under logic gates, you will get a list of experiments. Say you click on that one experiment. Then when you click on that one experiment, Okay, you will be basically directed, and you will get everything, the theory, the title, whatever. Okay, and after that there is something known as make the experiment. Just see if you are getting that. To perform the experiment, there will be something written like that. You are getting that tab. Everyone just check. You all can just read out the tabs to me. I'll tell you all where to go. Someone can just come out from their mic.
So after clicking on electronics and telecommunication, we
Uh,
get like a list in that there are some topics like fading channels and mobile communications, advanced network technologies,
okay.
analog signals, network and measurement,
Analog signals.
digital.
Click on analog signals.
Okay.
Everyone do this, huh? Click on analog signals.
It's taking time to load.
No problem.
So okay, it came. Then there's like introduction, list of experiments,
Click,
people
click,
and feedback.
click on list of experiments.
Uh, then there are like subgroups over there. First one is basic electrical technology laboratory.
Hmm.
In that there is verification of Norton's theorem, Thevenin's theorem, etc.
Any
Then
logic gates is there?
in the same one, mm, dot- okay.
Got
No, sir.
nothing with logic gates. Nothing is there with logic gates.
No, sir.
Okay. Go on Thevenin's theorem then.
Okay.
Click on that. And now tell me what you got on your screen.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Okay. Now there's like theory, procedure, operating environment, stimulator, quiz, and reference. Then below that, there's all description of the experiment for Thevenin's.
Could you repeat from start? What is there on the left hand side? Huh?
On the left hand side, start. There are options like theory, procedure, operating environment, simulator, quiz, and reference.
Yeah, click on simulator. Not
Okay.
stimulator, simulator. Click on simulator, and simulator is basically a program to do the virtual simulations of the circuit.
So then it says click here to perform the experiment.
Yes, exactly. Click on that. That will take you to the simulator page. It's like how you have aircraft simulators. Right? So,
Okay.
is it working? I just want to know that.
Uh, I think so. Like it's loading.
It's loading now. Okay, just let me know if it loads up.
Yeah.
Everyone is there? Krishna, Mayur, Rohit, Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now go on that virtual labs. Do what she's doing.
So
Check it
it's
how it
come.
works.
There's some description on the left hand side, and on the right hand
Okay.
side, all the circuit with whatever simulate option and all of that is there.
Okay, cool. Now I want all of you all going through that. It doesn't matter which experiment it is. What matters is how you all are going to put the components and place the components. So go through that. The same thing what she's doing. First go in the virtual labs. Okay, once you go in virtual labs, select the lab on the tab. Then select electronics and telecommunications. Once you select that, okay, go into any one of them. Okay, click on it and go on the simulator section and click perform and see how that simulator environment is, so that you will come to know how to basically do your circuit on that simulator. Just open it one time. I cannot open it here because I'm not granted access. I don't know why. How's the simulator program, by the way?
So should I try presenting my screen? I don't
Yeah,
know if it
please,
works.
please, please do. Because I cannot open it from my side. Open your screen.
So can you see it?
Sorry?
Can you see the screen? I don't know.
No, man. I cannot see. What about others? You all can see her screen?
No, sir.
No, no. There is something known as present now on your right hand side.
Yes,
Just go
so
there, yeah, and select the whole this thing. Okay, when you go on present now,
Entire screen.
select your entire screen and you have to click on the screen. Yeah, I think it's coming. Awesome, too good.
there.
Okay, now what happened? Okay, just give
Okay.
me cool. I cyber why this okay, verification. Yeah, click on that. Okay, so this is a simulator software. Okay. This is Thevenin's setup. This is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, basically. This is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay. And here you can basically change the values, if I'm not mistaken. Are they changeable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can change the values and then accordingly you will get the value of RTH and VTH and RL. Okay. This is actually all the components are there only. I don't know what great simulator it is, but I thought it is something like the components are given to you. Okay, you fix the components like on a breadboard, meaning like that only it is simulated. But this is just direct. It's like spoon fed to your.
Mm.
Just come down. Yeah, it's totally spoon fed, and it's just one circuit. Meaning, did they give you option to make a custom circuit or anything like that?
No, it just directly opened up
Directly,
on
yeah.
this.
So then it is like a direct answer only. Yes. Okay, so anyways, this is their simulated circuit. So try it out. Go on to their website, check it out. But I would prefer that you all see. Anyways, a breadboard won't cost much. Okay, get a breadboard, take some resistors. Okay, buy a multimeter. Multimeter will cost you max 400, which you all will use for your entire year. Okay, 4 to 500. Breadboard will cost you some 60 rupees or 70 rupees, depends on how big it is. Okay, connecting wires that you can get from your LAN wire only. If you have broadband at home, just cut the extra wire and take out. Those are your connecting wires, what you'll see in RIT. So you can use those connecting wires. Resistors you'll have resistors will cost you some 25 paisa per resistor. Okay, and voltage supply, you all will say voltage supply from where we'll get, sir, from where we'll get 5 volts, okay, or 12 volt supply from your adapters. Okay, even your mobile chargers have 5 volt supply, so you can use it from your mobile chargers as well. Okay, you can connect the wire and derive the 5 volt, and you can see how it works. That is practically doing it, how it would be. But I don't find that there's any type of use. Although now, see, this is what is told to us, that the simulated circuit has to be done from here. But this becomes very easy. Hardly any trouble only for this. But anyways, just go through it. Go through all the simulated circuits and see how it is. There is something known as, even for logic gates. Baba, could you do one thing? Could you go before this
Yes,
and
sir.
show me the tabs? Yeah, I'll tell you from there what to do. Okay. Okay, go on this. Click on digital logic design. I think here you will get the logic gates. List of experiments. Yes. Click on that. Now here there will be logic gates. Flip flops is there. Multiplex. ALU with function is that ALU 80, 80 86. Counters, multiplexes. Go before this. Go back. Go on top. Reading channels and mobile. Come little down. Digital logic design only it should be actually. Oops. We had gone on digital logic design only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on top and click on electrical engineering on your left hand side. Come down. More down. Go on top. Pull. Click on computer science and engineering. Come more down. Go on top. Go on top. I think it's not showing. Electronics and communications. Click. Electronics network. Analog signal network. Digital logic design. Come down more. Is hybrid microcomputer simulation direct. Come more down. Digital electronic circuits. Go on digital electronic circuits. taking time. And list of experiments. Multiplexes, everything is here. So this is where you have to go. And this is click the third one. Guys, everyone is looking now. Everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about the Rohit? आसान नहीं रे रोहित कृष्णा सलोनी मयूर
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. Thought maybe you're less sleepy. Wake up call. Okay. So analysis and synthesis of Boolean expression using basic logic gates. Just scroll down. Guys, every one of y'all, a humble request. Please go and go to the website and do it how we are doing it. No point looking. You'll have to go and check it. Okay, Adobe Flash Player is blocked. Now why it is blocked, I don't know. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. You can see the screen here where I'm pointing. Here. This part.
No.
Uh,
Which?
okay, you can see where the address is there, no, not secure and all that. Okay. Go
Yeah,
to
this.
left. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah, perfect. Click on that. And say, let's drop on this. Manage, say. Unblocking. Yes, settings. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, come out from there. Come down. It's not opening up.
No.
You could refresh it. Everybody's having the same problem. Right. Wow. Okay. Come down.
That's it.
Click on simulator. Come down. Okay, the simulator is not working. Maybe the server is down or whatever. Easy to options. Click for JavaScript simulator. Okay, click on that JavaScript simulator. Okay, which experiment we had said? It's the third experiment, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Click on it. think this should work. Okay, that's opening up. Oh wow, this is nice. So verification of equivalence of or
And or
and.
and NAND structures.
Okay, so you got here everything. You have the simulator. It is very direct. Actually, you are not doing anything. You just have to push it, meaning make your supply high and low. Just play with it, and you'll get the value output. Try turning it on and turning it off.
Where is that?
It's working.
There's nothing I can click on.
It's not working.
No, like there's nothing I can click on.
Click on that. Connect all VCC and GND correctly. It's just a picture I sidebar. Okay. I really don't know what IIT Mumbai has done. They have said it's a simulator, guys, and this was the information I was given. So if this is not going to work, then we have to start writing our files as usual.
So again, even this year,
Huh?
files like
That
errors.
time, see what my plan is. I will try to ask the management permission where they can keep it as a PDF. PDF meaning wherein you all don't have to write. It will be a typed copy. So what you
Yes,
all can do is one of you all can take up one experiment, complete it fully, and then merge it into one PDF. Okay, so isn't that cool? So you'll have your experiments also ready. Plus you have to just do one experiment, the write up, because anyways the write up is going to be the same. No?
yes, sir.
That's not going to change. You all are okay with that if it is done?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For this I will all say okay only. I know that. Yeah. But anyways, see, it's about taking the permission. So uh, if they are giving me the permission, I'm cool with it. Okay, I'm ready to do this. So it will save a lot of time for you all also. You all can use this time for something better. It's not just a pick. It's not just a pick. Somebody has said it's not just a pick. Is it changing anything? No.
No.
Okay.
Oh wait, something changed.
Oh yeah, it changed. It is a switch.
What do I put on everything?
Yeah, they just check. No, what becomes green, something will light up. Hopefully. Anything lit?
No.
Uh, okay. Click on that voltage thing. Just see. Double click or something. You
Would
can see the
these?
plus and minus now. The battery there.
Yeah, yeah.
Just double click on it or anything. See if it's changing the polarity or the supply.
No.
Okay, so okay, go on the IC and see the AND gate which is there. Click on it inside the IC. Yeah. Anything changing or anything?
No. I don't see anything.
What's wrong with this?
No.
Nothing changing, right?
No.
Okay, maybe IITians also do some mistakes sometimes. Okay. Anyways, yeah, you can just go to the different simulator softwares. For now, we'll just work on it, go through it. Okay, because if you're going to perform, you're going to use these things only to perform. There's no other way to perform it. Okay, and there's no proof of me to know also that you have performed it, because I first thought there was a simulator file that comes. Okay, but there is no type of simulator. It is just a direct circuit. So whatever you are going to do, you are going to do on this only. So please be truthful and honest with yourselves and do it. Okay. Right now, you can check out the list of experiments from there. Most of our experiments are there only, and nor multiplexer, demultiplexer, flip flop. Okay. So you can just go through it, check about it. Okay, guys.
So should I stop presenting?
Sorry.
Like, can I put this off?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. They got the picture. Everyone came to know now what they have to do. So that is more important. Guys, still here, the virtual labs of IIT Mumbai. You'll know how to basically enter into it.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everyone learned, no, how to go ahead. Okay. So we have to
Yes,
like
sir.
this target each and every experiments which are basically which we have to do. For the write up and all that, I will confirm maybe by next week. Okay. By that time, we'll be sure of what experiments are there and not there. Okay. And accordingly, we will take the ball from there.
When that will
Yes,
come?
sir.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You all want to be left?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे इतना भागते क्यों हो? It looks as if you don't like me only यार. हाँ? Every time
Sir,
ऐसे.
Rohit already left.
अरे वाह. Okay, okay. I'll just say the attendance. Just tell everyone to come. Okay.
He came, he came.
I 1901 present or absent.
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 I 1902. I think I heard someone saying present, right? Okay. I 1903.
Present, sir.
I 1905. Present, no? I 1906.
Present, sir.
Oh, wow. I 1907.
Present, sir.
Okay, very good. I 1908.
Present, sir.
I 1909. I 1909. Okay, I also heard a present somewhere far off. I 19010. I mean, I 1910. Okay, I also might have heard it. I think everyone heard, right? The present.
In the chat, someone said present.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw that. I saw that. I 1911. Done. I think I got another chat saying it is present. Okay, so the person absent right now is Ajay, right? No, Alia, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, Alia was absent for the other lectures also, or she was
Yes,
present?
sir. Yes, sir. So
Okay,
it's a
So yeah,
boy,
he is
alias.
absent.
all right, all right. Alias, okay, okay, okay. Here it is written Alia. Ja, German. Okay. Okay, anyways, so she is the only person absent as of now.
He.
Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Okay, and kindly go through that website, check it out. Okay, if there's any type of problems, you'll have my number. Okay, all of you will have my number, right? I'm
Yes,
there on the
sir.
group,
Yes, sir.
so you can just call me anytime whenever you're home. Okay, chalo guys, take care. Okay, have a nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
you. Bye bye. Bye guys.